Want to learn about the mastermind behind the scenes of the movie Jaws? Well, you can by just easily reading the book Who is Steven Spielberg? By Stephanie Spinner and illustrated by Danielle Marther. The main characters in this book are Steven, his parents, his wife, his kids, George Lucas, Jeffrey Katzenberg, and David Geffen. Steven is a person who is the happiest with the camera. Steven is a person who made a mechanical shark a star of a movie and one of the most successful movie directors of all time. Everything that could go wrong went wrong in the beginning of the production of the movie Jaws. If you want to know what's going to happen next, well, read the book. For only $5.99. I would especially recommend this book to you if you love movies and you want to learn about famous directors of movies. Hope you enjoy Who is Steven Spielberg?